What is up guys, my name is Aman Sahib, welcome back to Aman Sahib Games, and today we're going to be doing the Reddit 50-50 challenge with Anjani. She's a singer, actress extraordinaire. Do you know what 50-50 challenge is?
No.
Okay, so we are on Reddit, you know what Reddit is?
Yes.
For example, this caption: the inside of a turtle's mouth is going to be disgusting, or a delicious bowl of chicken curry and rice. So you will guess what the image is. The image is censored right now.
Yeah.
And I'll guess what it is, and then depending on what it is, we'll get points, and then we'll see who the winner is.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
Cool.
Got it.
Ready to
What
go?
if we both guess like the same thing? What if we both want to go with the same answer?
I don't know. Draw.
Okay.
Whatever.
Good.
Yeah. So the first one, the inside of a turtle's mouth. I don't want to see this. Or a delicious bowl of chicken curry and rice.
I'm gonna go with turtle's mouth.
I also don't think it is.
I'm also
A
gonna
bowl
go
of
with
chicken
turtle's
curry
mouth
and
for the
rice.
mere fact that this is Reddit and I don't trust it.
That is also true.
Yeah.
But I can see two yellow things, which could be hands. And it looks too zoomed out for a turtle's mouth.
What I think is the center of the pink is like the opening of the mouth, and the two
Oh yeah, there's
yellow,
a black
that's-
spot in the middle.
Yeah, and I think that's the
shit.
shell or something.
Okay, let's see. I'm going with a delicious bowl of chicken curry and rice.
I'm gonna go with turtle's mouth.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Ah, bro, that is disgusting. What the hell?
God, yeah.
Bro, this guy, he's defending it. The fangs, like
Actually
teeth are actually
soft.
soft. They're like
He's
tiny
right,
tongues.
actually. He's not wrong. They're just. Oh my god.
A nice cherry blossom tree, flamingo in open heart surgery. I don't see any
Oh my
red.
god. Yeah, I also don't see any red, but doesn't this look too pink to be like a cherry blossom tree?
But cherry blossom trees are pink.
But like this is too pink.
But see, there's also black. Could be the bark.
The
of
bark
the
of the
tree.
tree. Flamingo in open heart
I think it's a
surgery.
cherry blossom.
Hoping it's cherry blossom tree.
I don't think flamingo would be that bad.
I don't know. I'm just gonna go with flamingo, just to be fun.
I'm gonna go with a nice cherry blossom tree.
Oh,
I told you the
yay.
black
okay,
is
okay,
the
it's pretty. It's pretty.
tree. I'm gonna go Japan one day, 100%.
Oh, I want to go to Japan so bad.
A nice picture of the Golden Gate Bridge, aftermath of a shootout.
This better be the bridge.
But the issue is the Golden Gate Bridge is red.
There's like a hint of red over there.
No, there is no red. How can this much be the? This looks like a gun, like a person is holding the gun and there is a black.
Like the barrel of the gun.
हाँ, CS:GO में ऐसी होता है.
Alright, POV
हाँ.
now. Oh shit.
Let's see. I'm pretty sure it's.
Oh
what,
my
what
god.
are you going for? What are you
I'm
going
gonna
for?
go for Golden Gate. I don't want to guess that. That's
Okay, I'm
fine.
gonna go for aftermath of a shootout. Bro,
See,
what?
I told you
Kuch
that's
bhi.
red.
Kuch
I
bhi.
told you that's red.
How was it obvious?
You could see the greenery and then the water and then the red on this side.
But bro, water तो नहीं दिख रहा था. Come on.
Blue दिख रहा था side
Blue
में
दिख
पूरा.
रहा था.
हाँ.
Sky भी हो सकता है. But ठीक है. A beautiful oasis in Saudi Arabia. A pile of dead Oh my god, pile of dead bodies
Jesus,
from
I-
World War II.
Why do I feel like it's a pile of dead bodies?
It could be, but there is blue, but
And
there's
there is
also
sand
black.
at the bottom.
Yeah,
But
they caption it well.
they do.
It
they
could
do.
be both of the things. Oh, a pile of dead bodies.
I'm also thinking pile of dead bodies.
Okay, so I'll go with a beautiful oasis. A pile of dead bodies you're going with.
I'm gonna go with pile of
Okay,
dead bodies.
3, 2, 1.
Ah, thank God.
You
Would
could
not
kind
want
of
to see
tell
that.
this was gonna be not the body since
You know, it was in color.
Oh yeah, World War II. How could
But
it
they
be
could
in
have
color?
colorized the image.
But it wouldn't be that. But how?
Thank God it's not.
How is this black in the center? What?
It's darker now in the center.
Arey, but it looks black when it's blurred now. How can it be that dark?
It looks thoda
A
dark.
savage shrimp strands.
Savage shrimp strands starfish to satiate its sadistic soul.
Why would you type that?
Alliteration 101.
A group of school children rescue beached beluga whale.
I think it's the savage shrimp starfish.
Yeah, even I think because they've done a lot of mehnat in the
Yeah,
caption.
in that, so it
If
better be
is-
that.
Yeah, if that's not the thing, then the mehnat is gone to waste.
True, true.
Okay, so what are you going for?
I'm going with shrimp. with
Okay, I'll
savage
go
shrimp.
for a group of school children rescue. How are they? It's not a group of school children because there is
Wouldn't
no.
be hilarious if it
color.
was though.
I don't know.
Oh, it's the
Oh, do you want to
starfish
see the
guy.
video? I don't want to see the video.
Oh no, he'll be so cute though. The shrimp is so pretty.
It is not, bro.
It's so pretty.
It is
What's he
not.
doing? Oh my god.
Why would you stand there and film this? Why? I would, bro. I
It's
would
like
be long
this
gone.
small. It's like this tiny.
Bro, look at what's doing.
It's not. I mean,
I hate fish, bro.
really?
Aliens.
They're so pretty though.
They're aliens.
This guy is so. Oh my god! Did he just
What
pick him
did
up?
it do? Bro, I don't want to see this.
And it's like a long video. It's like 3 minutes.
I'm getting chills. This wasn't that bad.
No,
It wasn't disgusting.
It wasn't. It wasn't.
Beautiful mountains next to a gorgeous lake. It could be mountains.
This could definitely
Ah,
be
what
mountains.
the
Oh, I
hell?
don't want to know about the second one.
It's. Should we move on to the next one? Bro, हम लोग points नहीं गिन रहे. I would say beautiful mountains.
I would also say beautiful.
Okay, we both are saying because we
Yes,
don't want it
yes.
to be the
The other one, for our sake. Thank
yes,
God.
thank God. Looks beautiful. Man, bro, what is wrong with him?
He's on Reddit. What do you expect?
But no. Down horrendous. So my guy is down horrendous. Why does he want to see that? A dog doing a cool trick. It can't be that.
This is a dog throwing up for
On a
sure.
cat, bro.
This is
I rate it.
a dog for
My guy.
sure.
What are you going for? I'm going for the dog throwing up.
Say.
Okay.
Oh,
Bro,
he's
we have
gonna
to watch
throw
it. We
up,
have to
he's
watch
gonna-
it. We have to watch it.
Oh my god.
It's going to be blurred for them though. Why are we going through this?
The cat's not even moving. He doesn't even know what's
Bro,
coming.
my
Oh,
guy-
he's gagging. He's
my
gonna throw
guy-
up. He's gagging.
Look at his stomach,
Yeah,
bro. What
he's
is
gagging.
Plus it's American, so there is
Oh,
carpet.
boy. Oh.
Why him? Poor cat.
Cat ran away. Poor dog. He's gonna be sick the
Bro,
rest of the
poor
day
parents
now.
because there is carpet on the floor
have
and
to
it's
clean
gonna
the
stink
carpet.
like dog
Oh my
vomit.
God.
Two best friends hugging it. Can't be that.
This is a sign. This is the second one for
Oh,
sure.
no. In a jar?
What
Bro,
the heck?
this is some Russian.
Homunculus experiment. I wanna go for the Siamese conjoined twin.
Yeah, I know it is that, but I'll go for the two
best
best friends
friends.
hugging just for the sake of the video. Ah,
My goodness. Is that real?
I'm
It looks
assuming-
like a statue.
Bro, this guy's done with life.
So is the other one. Honestly.
No, other one's chilling. Oh, that's kind of sad actually. Best friends till the end. Even if it didn't.
last
Bro,
long.
how do you know they're best friends? They could be fighting all the time.
Yeah, they could, which is more probable, isn't
Yeah.
it? How long were they alive for?
How could they think? इतने में अगर जार में हो लोग
Why?
तो इससे छोटे में
इससे क्या
थोड़ी.
हुआ?
Bro, I don't think this is real because beach
It
के
looks like a very. It looks like a statue, doesn't it?
clay model लग रहा है वो
हाँ,
क्योंकि
हाँ.
बीच के details गायब है. Man with a pitchfork in his ass.
What are people doing?
How is that safer? I think it's a Vincent Van Gogh painting.
I also think, but I'm gonna go with Man with Pitchfork because it's
Alright.
just funnier.
Alright. Bro! Bro, look at this one. It was so close. It was so close. Look at this one.
So I bet it still hurt as hell.
Of course, bro. But if this was 3 inches to the right, to the left.
He would have been.
Ah.
Oh my
Didn't it-
god! What a
Aster.
disaster!
But why?
Sick.
He really pitched that one.
Oh, man.
Bambi dancing to techno.
Dang.
Bambi's dead, bro. How does she know what techno is? Man eating maggots. Oh, I
Off
don't.
deer leg. Why is somebody doing that? I am disgusted.
What do you think it is? These colors look too light for an animation of Bambi
I
dancing to
know,
techno.
and it's red on the side.
Yeah.
Oh, and why is that safe for work?
I don't know. I'll go for Bambi dancing to techno.
I'm gonna go for man eating maggots.
Ah.
It's it. Oh my god. Why is he eating them?
Who's asked him to film this? I want to see his channel.
Is it like that guy who does like survival things, like stuff you can
I'm
eat in the
pretty sure
wild?
it is.
It better be.
Bro, we're not watching that. We're not watching that. No chance, bro.
Okay, no.
They were alive.
Of course they were. You're not gonna eat dead insects.
Why would you eat insects in the first place? Camera उसके पास लेकिन खाना नहीं है.
हाँ, देख.
A lovely red sunset on a beach.
I already know what this
I'm
is.
pretty
I'm
sure.
so sure
Bro,
what
there,
this is.
how does a beach have black?
Unless they turned the picture this way to confuse us.
Yeah, that is possible.
Yeah.
What are you gonna go for?
I want to say red sunset on the beach.
Okay, so I'll go for a dried up cracked toe with blood on it. I don't know
Which
why
is SFW.
why we are watching this.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. It's not that bad. It's not that bad.
It's gross.
Bro, this guy looks Indian.
What the heck?
Hey, this looks
Judging by
like
his
looks
toe.
like an Indian photo. Bro, what are these comments?
Oh my god.
A wonderful birthday cake. Someone in the hospital with extreme foot fungus. I'm gonna go for a wonderful birthday cake.
I'm gonna go for the foot fungus.
Because the blue seems too nice to be in a hospital.
Oh, the yellow in the center is throwing me
yeah.
off.
It could be cake. Who knows? 3, 2, 1. Bro!
Oh my god.
Bro, what is this?
I don't know.
Potato salad. Bro, मेरे को रात को सपने आने वाले ये सब चीजों के.
मेरे आँख में पानी है.
मैं सो नहीं पाया. Really cool painting in a museum, or a dead mouse being eaten by 3.
Lucitan snails.
Have you noticed whatever difficult word is, I stop and you start. I'm gonna go with a really cool painting.
I'm gonna go with the dead mouse. It's gonna be a dead mouse, isn't it? Yep, it is.
Bro, why is it wet?
Because they've got their mucus on it. They've run their bodies over it.
Spin. Oh my god.
Oh, no.
Exhumation photo. Or all the safer work, these are dead people.
I know. I think it should be like the first photo taken of.
I hope
That'll be
it
a
is.
wholesome moment.
Alright, 3, 2. Okay, so I'm gonna go with Abraham Lincoln.
Okay.
Oh my god, it looks
I
like
know.
a. I don't want to say it. I'm gonna get cancelled. A really long M&M.
Mm-hmm.
A centipede
You can
crawling.
tell what
Yeah,
this is. Come
a
on.
centipede crawling up a guy's arm. Oh, I don't like centipedes, bro. I have
You're
a
scared
fear
of
that
them,
they
aren't you?
go
Yeah.
enter my ear.
This is a centipede for sure.
Bro, they showed us a documentary in they showed us a documentary in school one day of how centipedes enter
Yours?
and my school was ऐसे पेड़ वेड़ थे उधर like थोड़ा and then बाजू में slums थे तो मैं पूरे दिन I swear मैं पूरे दिन ऐसे घूमा I swear bro मैं बहुत छोटा था हम लोगों को बताया था उन लोगों ने bro बच्चे लोग को टीवी अब एक टीवी पीरियड होता था उसमें टीवी पे दिखाते थे एजुकेशनल और उसमें डरा दिया
डराते थे.
a really long M&M.
This is a centipede.
Yeah, even I'm gonna go for a centipede. I'm not
yeah.
stupid. Yuck, bro. Why are they?
You're
उसका
scared.
पैर येलो क्यों है यार? She. Tail red है. Coloring कौन कर रहा था बैठ के?
Usually poisonous animals बहुत brightly colored होते हैं as a warning sign.
Ah, an old picture of a giant crocodile.
Aftermath idiots trying to steal.
I hope it is that because don't mess with crocodiles.
Yeah, why are you messing with? Why are you trying to steal their food anyway?
America,
in first
stop.
place.
Don't mess with crocodiles.
What
Florida,
are you
don't.
doing?
Stop. Bro, फ्लोरिडा के वीडियोस देखे सब लोग क्रोकोडाइल लेके
Florida
घूम रहे
is
हाथ
an
में
amusement
ऐसे
park.
गया हूँ मैं वैसे फ्लोरिडा
Really, was it good?
हाँ अम्यूजमेंट पार्क ही गया था उधर डिज्नीलैंड I'll go for an old picture.
I'm gonna go for the idiots. I actually want to see the
Yeah,
idiots.
even
if
I
it's them.
hope to see the idiots.
Oh no, bro, this dude is huge. Would you look at him? This is a dinosaur. This is not even a crocodile at this point.
Bro, हो सकता है हाँ ये लोग चिल कर रहे हैं उधर दो लोग.
उसका साइज देख उस बंदे का और इसका मुंह का
Bro,
साइज
ये
देख.
क्या है? अच्छा I think ये dead है.
हाँ, it's dead.
मेरे को लगा जिंदा है.
Then it's dead, but oh my god.
Bro, why?
He's
Why?
huge.
Why would you do that? Why? Okay, so let's go to the points.
Okay.
I don't know why we are doing this after the bloody
Like, yeah,
thing
doing
है.
everything.
पूरा ऊपर जाने का वापस.
10 seconds later.
Bro, I don't know. I'll count in the edit, bro. Leave it.
Okay.
For the sake of the video, she wins.
At what cost?
I have lost, but at what cost? I've seen a hand with an X-Acto knife. I've seen my worst
Oh, that
fear
foot
on a hand.
fungus is
Bro, that
just- it's
centipede
gonna
was
give
this
me-
long. This long it was.
It was like from here to like here. Like this big. Mint chocolate is a fake flavor.
What?
I said what I said.
What?
I think mint chocolate is like a fake flavor.
What do you mean fake flavor?
It sounds so pretentious. Mint chocolate chip. It's so dumb. I honestly do not like that flavor at all. I don't care. I don't like mint chocolate chip. I
What
think
are you
it's
saying?
dumb.
How is it fake?
It sounds like a fake flavor.
How?